Okay, and this is how today's trading day starts this Thursday, the 17th of March. I am boosting Hello, everyone. Just check through the screen and you can see your trading day for Wednesday. Nigerian market was in the green. The BRVM also finished in the green territory. The Egyptian market rose 2.7%, a much bigger roar by the South African GSE on the back of big gains by big names such as Absa Group, as well as Prosus and Naspers. Naspers and Prosus shares climbed nearly 20% each on average on Wednesday. A very big day in South Africa. But the Nairobi boss bucked that among his peers, down by 19 basis points. So let me take you straight to some of the stories in East Africa. The East African Business Council says is pushing for a new 35% common external tariff by East African member states effective from the month of July. And the Kenya Revenue Authority, which is the tax authority, and Karuche's breweries have agreed to about an 18 months plan in which the brewing company will be able to pay back the outstanding tax liabilities to the government. CIC Insurance is listed on the Nairobi Bourse and it's been able to reverse its 2020 losses and posted a profit of 668 million shillings in 2021. In the meantime, the International Finance Corporation says it's buying about 4.2 billion worth of Kenya shillings into Kenya's Mortgage Refinance Corporation's bonds, which is now being issued. And Tanzania's local debt climbed about 52% to about 21.2 trillion shillings for over the past 4-year period up till 2021 year end. Okay, let's step into West Africa, where the Africa Investment Forum, the AFDB, says it has Africa Investment Forum, a 3-day deal room is ending today at about 1600 GMT. In the meantime, the AFDB, the organizers of the AIF, says it has about $1 billion in plan to win Africa off its import of wheat from Russia. Egypt is one of the largest wheat importers from Russia on the African continent, or the other countries such as Nigeria and as well as others as well. Meantime, the NGX and the International Finance Corporation, which is the private sector lending arm of the World Bank, is building capacity on green bonds. The Bank of Africa of Cote d'Ivoire listed on the Ivorian market says its full year 2021 net profit came about 17.03% better than 2020. That's about 16.64 billion CFA franc. And Ghana Cedi is expected to decline 20% over the next 12 months. That's according to a new report by Rand Merchant Bank, while the BRVM and the IFC are launching a new code of corporate governance for listed companies. Okay, let's talk about Southern Africa, shall we? Got some stories. Germany's SAP says it's going to refund South Africa at least 263 million rand over invalid deals between the tech company, and South Africa. In the meantime, Transnet and Eskom say they are looking to be exempted from procurement rules put in place by the government. And Standard Bank is raising about 300 billion rand for green energy or green or sustainable finance between now and the end of 2026. It's a bit of a 4-year horizon. And RMI, which is Rand Merchant Investment Holdings, is looking to swap its listing on the GSE with OUTsurance. Just a bit of a change of name, by the way, not significant movement in terms of cash or shares or whatever, but that is just being considered. And Old Mutual is looking at Zimbabwe's economy to recover in the current year, 2021, while Namibian Agro Board has maintained import ban on agro products that could be produced locally. And to sum it up, in North Africa this morning, Egypt's trade deficit came in lower by 21.6% to about 2.4 trillion in December 2021, while HD Bank, listed on the exchange, is targeting 9% uptake in profit after tax for the current full year 2022. And Total Energies in Morocco has posted a turnover of 12.8 billion dirhams for last year, and reporting also for the earnings season as Wafa Assurance, one of the biggest within the Moroccan market, reporting a net interest income of growth of about 32.6% for last year. That came in at about 530 million local currency. That's the Moroccan dirhams. And that's about it for this morning. It's a Thursday. The Gene Room will be closed on the Africa Investment Forum later today. Keep that in mind. I am Bosin Amafaya. You can watch this show again on our YouTube at Frontier Africa Reports, as well as our website, frontierafricareports.com. That's the Global Gateway. Follow us on social media, our platform as well, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, as well as LinkedIn. I will see you next time. Bye for now.